Welcome back to How to Master Any Skill. We're now on day 8 of our 31-day marketing series, and guiding you through setting up your first Facebook ad campaign with a step-by-step tutorial. This video will cover from setting up your ad account to choosing your target audience and optimizing your ad creative. Let's get started. Setting up your advertising account. First, you'll need to set up your Facebook ad account. To do this, go to business.facebook.com and sign up for a Business Manager account. Once you've done that, navigate to Ad Accounts in the Business Settings and click Create a new ad account. Fill in the required information, and your ad account will be set up. Choosing your campaign objective. Now, let's create your first campaign. In the Ads Manager, click Create to start a new campaign. You'll need to choose a campaign objective that aligns with your marketing goals, such as traffic, conversions, or brand awareness. Defining your target audience. Next, let's define your target audience. In the ad set level, you can choose the demographics, interests, and behaviors of the people you want to reach. Use the buyer personas you've created to help you narrow down your audience. You can also set a budget and schedule for your campaign. Creating your advertisement creative. Now it's time to create your ad creative. Facebook offers various ad formats, such as single image, carousel, or video. Choose the format that best showcases your product or service. Make sure to use high-quality images or videos, engaging copy, and a strong call to action. Launching and monitoring your campaign. Once you're satisfied with your ad creative, review your campaign settings and click Submit to launch your campaign. Keep an eye on your campaign's performance using Facebook's Ads Manager. Track important metrics like reach, engagement, and conversions to see how your ads are performing. Optimizing your advertising campaign. To improve your campaign results, you can optimize your ads by testing different ad creatives, targeting options, and bidding strategies. Make adjustments based on the insights you gain from the data to maximize your return on investment. Congratulations! You've just set up your first Facebook ad campaign. Remember, learning and optimizing are crucial to achieving success with Facebook advertising. Keep experimenting and refining your campaigns to drive better results. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more marketing insights. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.